Hey, my friends, this is Zoe. Welcome back to Daily English Zone. Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English? But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? You can't speak. You feel stuck. You freeze. You're not alone. Many learners understand a lot of English. They watch movies. They follow podcasts. But they still cannot speak. Why? In this episode, I'll talk about that. And I'll give you 6 simple tips. These will help you speak more and better. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly. You can shadow with me. You can listen and repeat. Try to match my words. Match my rhythm. Match my voice. My goal is to help you practice both listening and speaking. At the same time, let's begin. Understanding English and speaking English are not the same. Many learners say, I understand almost everything, but I cannot speak. That is very common. And there's a reason. When you understand, you are passive. You just listen. You just read. Your brain is receiving English. You don't have to do anything. You just know the meaning. But speaking is different. It's active. You need to do many things at the same time. Think of the words. Organize your ideas. Say the sentence. Use correct sounds. And do it fast. In real time. It's hard, even for advanced learners. Here's the truth. Most learners do not practice speaking. They read grammar books. They watch movies. They write in English. These are good things. But they don't help you speak. Not unless you use your voice. Speaking is a skill. Like swimming. Like dancing. Like cooking. You only get better by doing it. Not by thinking. Not by watching. But by doing. That's what we'll do today. Let's get started. Tip 1. Don't wait for perfect grammar. This is important. Many learners wait. They think, I'll speak when my grammar is perfect. I need to study more first. I don't want to make a mistake. But the truth is, you don't need perfect grammar. You only need to be clear. If people can understand you, you're doing great. Listen to this. Yesterday I go to the park. Is it perfect grammar? Number. But do you understand? Yes. That's what matters. When children speak, they don't know grammar rules. They say, me want juice. I know like this. It's not perfect, but we understand. And they get better with time. You will too. Making mistakes is good. It means you are trying. It means you are learning. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. So don't be afraid. Start now. Speak with the grammar you have. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Say what you want to say. Grammar will improve, but you'll already be speaking. And that's amazing. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Say it again. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Speak first. Polish later. You've got this. Tip 2. Learn chunks, not words. Here's a big tip, and it can change how you learn English. Don't study one word at a time. Learn chunks. What are chunks? Chunks are small phrases, short phrases people use every day. Not just one word, but a group of words that go together. Example, you learn the word busy, but in real life, people say, I'm a bit busy right now. Sorry, I've got a lot on my plate. Let's talk later, I'm swamped today. Each of these is a chunk. When you learn chunks, you don't have to build sentences from scratch. The phrase is already in your head, ready to use. It's like having blocks of language. You just pick one and speak. Examples. Can I help you? I'm not sure. That sounds great. What do you mean? This is real English. This is how people speak. When you use chunks, you sound more natural, more fluent, more confident. So how do you learn chunks? Listen to real conversations, podcasts, television shows, movies. Pay attention to phrases you hear again and again. Write them down, not just one word, the full phrase. Like, I'll get back to you. It depends on the situation. That's a good question. Now say them. Out loud. Repeat. Use them. Record yourself. Listen back. Ask, can I use this at work? At a cafe? With a friend? If yes, learn it. Keep it. Use it. So remember, don't build English word by word. Build it chunk by chunk. Tip 3. Speak to yourself. This one is simple, but very powerful. If you want to speak English well, you have to speak English every day. But wait, what if you don't have anyone to talk to? Many learners say, I don't live in an English-speaking country. I don't have a partner. I don't know any native speakers. I understand. But here's some good news. You don't need a partner. You can talk to yourself. Yes, really. It may sound strange, but it works. And it works very well. Speaking to yourself is one of the best ways to practice. Why? Because you can do it anytime, anywhere, at home, in the kitchen, on a walk, even in the shower. No pressure, no judgment, just you and your voice. What can you say? Start simple. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. It's raining outside. I need to charge my phone. I'm brushing my teeth now. Or talk about your day. Today I feel tired. I have a meeting at 10. I want to go for a walk later. Or ask yourself questions. What do I want for dinner? Why am I feeling lazy today? How can I study more this week? You can also act out small conversations. Hi, how can I help you? Yes, I'd like a coffee, please. Anything else? No thanks, that's all. You play both parts. You practice real situations. Why is this helpful? Because when you speak to yourself, you train your brain. You build fluency. You stop translating. You learn to think in English. You get faster and more confident. It's like going to the gym for your mouth. So speak to yourself every day, everywhere. You'll see results. Tip 4. Use AI to practice. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a great tool. It can help you practice speaking. You can talk to an AI. You can ask questions, have conversations, and get corrections too. The AI won't judge you. It won't get tired. And it's available 24/7. Try using ChatGPT or Pi or Microsoft Copilot. Type or speak. The AI will respond. Here's what you can say. Hi, I'm learning English. Can we talk? Let's practice a conversation at a coffee shop. Can you speak slowly, please? You can also ask, can you correct my sentence? Did I use this phrase right? Can you help me practice grammar? These tools are helpful because you're not just studying. You're using English. You're speaking. You're thinking in English. And that's how you grow. So don't wait. Use AI as your language buddy. Practice a few minutes each day. It really works. Tip 5. Try the 4 to 3 -2 technique. This technique is simple, but powerful. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick a topic. Any topic. Something from your life or a podcast you listen to. Now, speak about it for 4 minutes. Go slow. Add details. Tell the full story. Step 2. Take a short break. Now, speak again for 3 minutes. Faster. A little more organized. Step 3. One more time. Speak for 2 minutes. Now your story is smooth. Fluent. You know what to say. Why does this help? Because repetition builds fluency. You're not stopping to think. You're not translating. You're just speaking. You can record yourself and listen back. You'll hear the difference. From the first version to the third. It's a great way to grow confidence and speak with ease. So try it. Pick a topic. Tell it 3 times. Get faster. Get clearer. Get fluent. Tip 6. Use one sentence in many ways. Here's a fun tip. Start with one simple sentence and then change it. Say it in many ways, with different grammar, different feelings, different words. Let's try. I went to the store. Now change it. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store to buy bread. I had to go to the store again. I went to the store but it was closed. I'm going to the store now. If I had gone earlier, I wouldn't be hungry. My sister went to the store. Nobody went to the store, so we ordered food. See? Small changes, big results. You learn grammar. You learn emotion. You learn how to think fast. This is fluency. Not memorizing, but creating. Let's review. Today, we talked about why many learners understand English, but still can't speak. You learned 6 practical tips. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Speak anyway. Learn chunks, not words. Talk to yourself. It really helps. Use AI. Practice daily with friendly bots. Try the 4 to 3 -2 technique to boost fluency. Say one sentence in many ways. Play with it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need big vocabulary. You just need to start. And you need to keep going. Speak every day. Use your voice. Make mistakes. It's okay. You are learning. Confidence grows with action. And remember, fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. So go out there. Use English. Think in English. Speak in English. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Zoe, and this is Daily English Zone. Come back tomorrow for more. And if you enjoyed this episode, like, comment, and subscribe. We post daily slow English lessons just for you. See you later.